They start out of the gate for the chairman Amateurs Cup. Lost about 2 at the start is God's Touch. And it is going to be Simba is first to show out in the early stages, just about a length and a 3/4 head of Undisputed travelling on the outside. Neck behind on the fence is Big Orange. Then we have a pair of God's Touch and Take a Risk travelling on the outside close last. Galloping towards 700 meters marker, Simba out in front by a 2 to good of Undisputed is the clear second at this age on the outside. Half a length now, dropping back to be 3/4 of a length there, Big Orange. Then we have God's Touch lying on the fence, being accompanied on the outside, but Take a Risk now passing 5. About to come into the straight, Simba now still dictating the terms by a length and a half ahead of Big Orange. The nearest rival just 3 lengths away, now beginning to gallop on the outside. 3 lengths behind Undisputed. Racing in the last 200 meters. Simba now being collared on the outside by Akash and Big Orange on the outside. It's a Big Orange on the outside going to take over the running. Big Orange from Simba on the fence, not giving up. Big Orange for Simba, but it's a Big Orange, the last year Derby winner, going to prove his mettle by a length and a half ahead of Simba.